So next presenter will be innovative method for cable sheath repair by Tata Power Distribution Division. Is there? Who is speaking? Okay.
Good morning to all. First of all, I would like to say thank you to SOPEP to give this platform to present our paper. Myself, Harshad Puwade, working with the Tata Power for last 10 years. Earlier, I worked with the MSEB. And let me take you through our innovative project for cable sheath repair. First of all, I want to discuss about the Tata Power. For last 100 years, we are working with the transmission, generation and distribution for the Mumbai license area. We have almost 11,000 megawatt installed generation capacity, out of which 30 to 35% is from clean energy, and we are serving over 2 million customers across India and maintaining almost 2800 circuit kilometers of cable network in Mumbai, which leads to generate this idea of cable sheath repair. First of all, I want to say while designing any project, cable is the most taken granted equipment, because when we design a project, we always talk about the transformer, your breakers, and we just calculate the ratings and we just simply design the cable or decide the cable ratings. Then we prepare a cable schedule, we lay the cables. But when it comes to OPEX, it is one of the most cost consuming equipment, because whenever there is a fault, or everyone rush to the cable team or the maintenance guy to repair that fault, to take the whole plant or your whole operation in service. So there are many in Mumbai area. Many times we are facing this type of situation. When we consider when we take a last year's our fault data, almost nearly 50% faults are due to damage. There are direct damage and superficial damage, which creates a fault later on. So, and you can see in the picture, there are a mechanized work. As sir said earlier, there are many metro works are going on, many infra projects are working on in the Mumbai area. So many times we are facing a superficial damage, which tends to create a fault later on. And you can see in the second picture, there is a sheet damage to this fault. What will happen? The water will ingress in that cable, and this will create a fault in weak area. So we are targeting this to minimize the fault. Whenever we see such a situation, we always repair this sheath with existing method. But there are certain, you can say, drawbacks with this method. We have to use the heat shrink sleeve. You need experienced jointer for this, and you have to transport these things. Also, there is a major cost involved in that. Just consider this year's last 6 months data. We repaired almost 61 fault this sheath with this heat sleeve, and almost we expand to around 2.5 lakhs in that. So we did analysis to develop another solution on that. Mainly, we want to reduce the safety. We consider the safety aspect, and we want to reduce the hazardous side. So while developing solution, we consider 2-3 methods. In first method was the oldest one, when we repaired with the asphalt, hot asphalt, which we used in our whole Pilka cables. But that is also includes higher cost, plus you need any skilled person for that. Second is your resin cast with outer body. For this also you need a skilled person. Then we come across the third possibility. We did research we have many vendors, or you can say manufacturer, who use this kit for repair of PVC pipes. But in PVC pipes, there are these are the hard pipes. But in cable outer PVC, they have some other properties. They are the soft ones. So we did some change. We made some changes in that. That outer PVC, we took that kit. We made a changes with 2-3 tubes. Then we tried with our cables which are in network, and after that we implemented that. When we implemented, we just tried for 4 to 5 months, and we got the results which are much better than our expectations. This we developed a kit with one of our vendors. It consists only four parts. First is your fiberglass fabric. This fabric is some you can say it is a main component of this kit. You have to just pour water in that, just squeeze that, and you have to wrap around the cable. Then second was the water sealing mastic, which sealed the cable when it is at location which it is a damage. Then other parts are just cleaning solvents, your gloves, and your polish paper. We have to apply with this kit with just 4 simple steps. First, you have to rub the surface with the paper. Then you have to clean this, apply the water sealing tape, and just wrap the cable with fiberglass fabric.
Hello.
Not able to display this video. I'm not able to. In this video, just be shown that how to use this kit. That person is our regular employee. He is using that kit to repair that damage. You can see what the person who is not able to clean. He is just repairing that cable sheet damage with this kit. Then what actually we achieved with this? First and the foremost benefit, we reduce the hazard related to your gas cylinder with heat shrink. You don't need any gas cylinder afterwards. So your safety index is come down from 12 to 4. There is another benefit which is also one of the most important. It's your cost, because in Mumbai area, whenever you dig or excavate the road, you have to pay RI charges. So to repair with this kit, you don't need to excavate more than 5 meters. In earlier method, the tube itself is of 2 meters. So to shrink that kit, you have to lift the cable. You have to excavate more, so you have to pay RI charges to the authority. Recum or other tubes are also available. So you have to pay RI charges. You have to pay to manpower. You need a skilled jointer. In this, you don't need that kind of arrangement. You can your patrolling person can also repair with this kit. This is the third. In this, you can say it is a cost effective. The heat shrink sleeves itself required around 3 to 4,000 rupees. But this kit is cost of this kit is around 1,000 or 1,200. So you don't need a skilled person. One more advantage, that your cycle time is reduced. So in this algorithm you can see, earlier we required 4 to 5 hours to repair with that kit, because you need to take outage on that cable. You cannot string directly on the cable which is charged. So you need to take outage. You have to identify the cable. Then you can repair with that kit, heat shrink kit. But with the cold shrink kit, you don't need outage. You just simply need to wrap that paper, and it becomes so hard that there is no chance of water ingress in that. We represented this paper in 3M award, 3M competition also. We received a gold award for that, and we are at the national level now.
So early? Yeah. To what voltage?
Up to 33 kV, sir. And this is for only XLP cables. You cannot use on cold PLC.
Any other question, please?
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
You have talked about the repair of the cable sheet. Why, how it has been damaged? What are the reasons, sir?
Main reason is that the mechanical your excavators, your JCBs or other means of work in infra activities. There are many infra activities going on in the city area.
They don't carry out any safety measures there so that the shovel and all that can damage?
No, sir, there are many multi-utilities in the city now. So we have other power utilities also. So they just inform us. But to locate the exact cable, it is not possible. So we have to post our person. The posting person will be always there. He guides that fellow, but while the JCB person who is excavating, he won't get any exact position. So if there is a direct damage, so we don't have any option, we have to repair. But it is a superficial damage, then it will create a fault later on.
So these cables are all the below the ground.
Of course, sir. Yes, cables are below the ground.
How do the ground has got various compositions and there could be erosion, there could be somewhat corrosion and all those things can take place. How do you take care of what is the life expectancy of the outer sheet?
Yes.
How do you calculate that?
Sir, there are no such measures
some
to...
geological survey that where you would like to lay the cable, there the compositions of the earth is something and that should be compatible with the sheet material, something like that?
No, sir, not done yet, but still we consulted with the OEM. So outer sheet is a normally PVC material.
Yeah.
It is meant to give your life in Mumbai. You have the salty area.
Yeah.
So in that they are claiming to work with the 20 to 25 years. But even a small cut, so if there is cut or damage while executing project, or so no one will get a warranty on that.
So Bombay it is 20-25 years. What it will be in Calcutta?
Calcutta, so it depends on OEM, because we give them as per our requirement to the OEM. So they quote accordingly.
So any other question, please? Because the gentleman has finished early. We have a lot of time. So no question? Nothing? Okay, let us move. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Let us move to the next presenter.